On Monday, I met a couple of French people, and one of those guys is a very passionate firefighter. And he asked me if he could exchange his work t-shirt with one of the local firefighters. And luckily I know a girl from here, she's called Sandra, she works in the Tolmin's co-working space. And she hooked me up with this guy called Jure, he's a firefighter here. And now I'm going to pick up the French firefighter and take him to the local firefighters so he can exchange his t-shirt. Hello, so this is Baptiste, and now we're going into Tolmin to meet Jure, the local firefighter, so they can exchange t-shirts. Woo!
Yeah!
So me and Baptiste are here next to the firefighters' home, and they have a lot of equipment outside, and I hope you can see it as well. So let's go.
Yeah.
What size do you want? Large? Medium?
Medium.
Firefighters?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
For you. In French, sapeur-pompier.
Okay.
Hey, we watch all the time the videos on Facebook.
Yeah.
These firefighters, very good.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
This is an amazing story.
For you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So they have to go out now because they had a call, and during the week we can still come up here and they'll show you the place and
the station.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We were a bit unlucky because the firefighters had to go out on a call. So we'll probably go back later so he can see the whole building and the equipment. Are you happy?
Yeah. It's a very beautiful t-shirt.
Yeah. So right now we're going to see Sandra, who works here in a local co-working space, to meet her because she arranged all of this and she made it happen. So yeah, let's go see her. Okay, so we're here. This is where Sandra works and she made it all happen. Say hello. Hey. And we just wanted to come here and say thank you to connect us. So yeah, these are the amazing people that work here. Wow, this is so amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the best job in the world.
Yeah. Okay guys, so these are my French friends from where Baptiste is coming, the camp. Everybody say hi! Hi! Yeah. So this is it guys, this was an amazing story. I mean, this is what MetalDays is all about. Keep that in mind.